Machiegni e mesa mar weche mag ohala kakoro golo chik mar oboke mar wuoth mar visa e kind pinje Afrika oyang kaka yo mar jiwo ohala kod tudruok e kindgi. Med jiwo kod jatend piny William Ruto e limbene e piny Mozambique kamorome kod jatend pinyno Filipe Jacinto Nyusi. Ruto medo jiwo jotend pinje Afrika mondo wit oko ohinga go mondo jiw wuoth kod ohala komedo ni kata pinje wagunda nosegolo chikego kendo tudruok e kindgi koro ni thuolo.
In the area of defense and security, we've been working with your country, just benefiting from the Kenyan experience that has been suffering from this evil of terrorism. Allow me, through you, to thank and recognize the support by the Kenyan people. We have not only benefited from training, but we've also received humanitarian assistance from Kenya to mitigate the suffering of the people who are victims of terrorism and natural disasters.
What has already been achieved by our predecessors, who made it possible for us to make it easier for citizens to travel between our countries, to make it easier for trade, for investments, for the movement of goods, for the movement of services between our two countries. And I want to commit that Kenya will continue to play our part in making sure that we build on this very solid foundation to take our country into the future as we do our region and our continent as well.